Get ready to try this ear cleaner with me for the very first time. It was sent for my review and I'm excited. So I've tried a couple different ones before, but nothing like this. So really simple to set up. There is warm water down here, and as you can see, it just aligns, it just twists off. You fill that up and you put it on. And then it does come with 4 tips, and I just have a tip on here. And then obviously this is where we're going to be placing my ear. So this is gonna go inside my ear, and then I'm gonna have this cup underneath here, and then everything's just going to fall into here. So I've used the ones that are like the electric ones that are just automatically pumping water into your ear. And it's a little bit like scary and stressful because you have no control over it. But now this one here, which is really nice, you can use with one hand. I'm just going to point it this way because it's going to squirt out. But you just pump your finger right here, and then and then the water comes squirting out. So again, you can completely control that. And it's kind of cool. I've never seen one before like that. So it does have 3 little holes at the top. So it's kind of nice because it's not like it's just shooting straight down into like your eardrum. It's kind of like dispersed this way. So it's going to kind of hopefully dislodge some of that wax. I did just look inside my ear with a little camera, and it is full of wax. Usually before I do one of these things, I like to put some of the ear drops in there to kind of like loosen it up. I did not do that, so it might be too hard for it to actually come out, but we're just going to give it a try, see how it feels, and if anything does come out, yay. Okay, so this is supposed to go into my ear. So I've got that in there comfortably, and this is meant to sit. I'm a little bit scared. I get scared every time. I don't know why. I love these things. So this sits right underneath here because we don't want the water dripping all over the place. All right, here goes nothing. Oh! That's interesting. That feels really good, but I'm also scared at the same time. Look, my dog's stressed because I screamed. All right, I don't know if anything's coming out. Oh, it feels really good. So I'm just gonna go a little faster here, see if anything comes out. Oh, did anything come out? So no big chunks, but I don't know if you can see inside there. There's like some really gross like floaties inside there. And then of course I've just got that water. Oh, that just dripped right out. Perfect. I was like, oh no, I was like, I can't hear anything. But yeah, this thing is fantastic. I actually think I really like this better than the electric one. I like being able to control it myself. Really easy, fits very comfortably in my ear. No dripping, just a little bit because I just shook my ear all over the place. But yeah, my shirt's not all wet. This thing is great.